Hey Truck Bros, Lauren Fletcher here with your Truck Chat Weekly Cheat Sheet. Let's hit the fleet headlines in 60 seconds or less. First up, data makes decisions sharper. Getting started with fleet metrics and KPIs doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small and track what matters. Next, grill guards aren't just tough-looking add-ons. They can save fleets thousands in downtime and repairs by keeping work trucks protected where it counts. Fuel worries on your mind? With winter ahead, fleets should prep now for diesel blends, additives, and storage strategies to keep trucks running strong when the temps drop. And Stellantis is hitting pause on hydrogen fuel cells, calling it quits on the program after a weak market outlook. And quick hits before you roll. Samsara is bringing pre-installed telematics to new trucks. EPTOs are proving their value. NAFTA announces the 2025 Green Fleet Award winners. And we're digging into Upfit installs. No drill versus full install. That's your cheat sheet. I'm Lauren Fletcher, and I'll catch you next week.